The Moon, Earth's closest celestial neighbor, has fascinated humans for millennia. Its glowing presence in the night sky has inspired countless myths, poems, and scientific inquiries. But what if the Moon, with all its silent vigilance, holds secrets far more profound than we have imagined? Over the years, a particularly intriguing hypothesis has emerged: the hollow moon theory. This idea suggests that the Moon could be not a solid celestial body, but a hollow sphere. This theory not only challenges our basic understanding of celestial mechanics, but also invites us to rethink our entire cosmological framework. As we delve deeper into this mystery, it's important to approach with an open mind. The journey through ancient beliefs, scientific theories, and future explorations might just change the way we view the night sky forever. The hollow moon theory posits that the Moon is either wholly hollow or contains a substantial interior space. This is not a mainstream scientific stance, but it has garnered attention due to some peculiar lunar phenomena. For instance, the Moon's lower than expected density and the seismic data from moonquakes suggest unusual characteristics. Scientists who entertain the theory argue that certain anomalies in the Moon's gravitational field could be explained by a hollow structure. These include discrepancies in mass distribution and orbital dynamics observed during lunar missions. Moreover, the way the Moon rings like a bell after meteor impacts has puzzled researchers and fueled speculations about its composition. Further scrutiny reveals that the evidence is not definitive and often open to interpretation. Critics of the hollow moon theory argue that similar seismic and gravitational phenomena can be explained by other models, such as variations in density and thickness of the lunar crust and mantle. Despite this, the theory remains a captivating topic for discussion among some circles in the scientific community. The hollow moon theory is not a product of modern science, but has roots that reach back through history. Initially, it was more of a philosophical notion, reflecting the human tendency to mystify and speculate about the unknown. The idea has evolved, influenced by observations and improved scientific understanding over centuries. In the 19th century, prominent figures such as Michael Faraday and Sir John Herschel speculated about the Moon's features and composition, paving the way for later theories about its potential hollow nature. Although their ideas were not explicitly about a hollow moon, their willingness to question the established understanding set a precedent for challenging traditional celestial paradigms. The transformation of these early speculations into a more structured theory occurred in the mid-20th century, particularly during the space race. The heightened interest in lunar exploration provided new data leading to innovative, albeit controversial, interpretations of the Moon's physical properties. Long before telescopes and space missions, ancient civilizations were crafting rich lore about the Moon, imbuing it with spiritual significance and mystical powers. These early cultures observed the Moon's phases and eclipses, integrating them into their religious and social lives. The Moon's influence was seen as a powerful force, affecting everything from tides to human behavior. In ancient Mesopotamia, the Moon was worshipped as a deity named Sin, symbolizing a vital cosmic element in their pantheon. Similarly, in ancient Greece, the Moon was associated with Artemis, the goddess of the hunt, wilderness, and childbirth. These deities represented the Moon's perceived mystical and physical influences on Earth. These cultural interpretations, while not scientifically accurate, reflect humanity's long-standing fascination and connection with the Moon. They also illustrate how ancient peoples projected their beliefs and observations onto celestial bodies, trying to make sense of the natural world around them. As we look to the future, the Moon continues to be a focal point for scientific exploration and inquiry. Several missions are planned that could shed light on old mysteries and perhaps provide new data relevant to the hollow moon theory. These include missions by NASA, ESA, and other international space agencies aiming to explore lunar geology more deeply. One of the most anticipated projects is the Lunar Gateway, an orbiting lunar station that will serve as a laboratory and staging point for deeper lunar exploration. This initiative will facilitate prolonged human presence on the Moon, allowing for more detailed geological studies and experiments. Moreover, advancements in sensor technology and remote sensing will enable scientists to map the lunar surface and subsurface with unprecedented precision. These efforts will not only help in understanding the Moon's structure, but also in assessing its resources for future lunar habitation. The moon has always been a source of wonder and speculation. From ancient myths to modern scientific theories, our fascination with this celestial body continues to grow. The hollow moon theory, while not widely accepted in the scientific community, serves as a reminder of the mysteries that still surround our closest celestial neighbor. As we continue to explore the moon, each new discovery has the potential to reshape our understanding of the cosmos. Whether or not the moon is hollow, the pursuit of this knowledge enriches our scientific and cultural heritage. It reminds us that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be explored and understood. In conclusion, the journey to unveil the moon's secrets is far from over. With upcoming missions and technological advancements, we stand on the brink of new frontiers in lunar exploration. The answers we find may well redefine not just our theories about the moon, but also our place in the universe.